guys, welcome back to the Lexi and Chloe show. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Lexi.
And today, this is part 2 of making colorful slime / slime smoothie.
We're going to do some smoothie too.
I pretended like I was your fan.
Okay, anyways, guys, let's make our slime smoothie. We already have.
Lexi, go get a bowl.
Why?
Because that's what we make the slime smoothie in.
True, and then we're just going to save some.
Yeah. And then I have to guess your middle name.
Wait, no, because I have to keep doing it, because look, I have tiny ones.
I'm going to do my slime smoothie.
No, don't get a bowl.
I'm getting the bowl I used last night.
Oh, okay.
Look, I actually made black. Lexi.
Oh, yeah.
Like I was your guy.
I'm just going to keep making while she makes her slime smoothie, because this is not black.
So move this over here. Okay, guys. So first,
Do you want us to just mix all these?
no.
Yeah.
Guys, first one is my ocean. Wait, no, this is ocean waves.
Can't name the ones I already have.
I didn't. And this is grape Laffy Taffy. This is sky blue. Oh, this is.
I don't know what you named it. You should name it.
No, guys, this is grape Laffy Taffy, and this is grape bubblegum.
True.
This is stretchy metallic, stretchy metal, and this is mysterious black.
I don't know. You want to just mix it all together like that, and then we can just both split it.
No, because you're gonna do yours.
Okay, this is. Dang, I mixed them all in on accident. This is. Wait, what do they do? Oh yeah, wait. Oh yeah, purple.
Look at this.
Why?
Because it doesn't work. It's trash.
Oh,
What is it?
the radio. Okay, guys, this is. Let me mix it up. I can't remember what this one is. Oh yeah, wait. I couldn't remember.
Guys, this.
Wait. Guys, just. Oh yeah, purple juice.
Grape juice?
Yeah, grape juice. Yeah, and then this one is silver.
He is an average kid.
No one.
Guys, okay, so this is what I started out with. White. This is colors.
And then, anyways, guys, this is mine. Can you please stop?
Sorry, I'm showing them color.
Anyways, this is. What should I name this one?
And guys, don't think we're just a slime channel. We also have a vlog channel, slime channel, and just talkers. We vlog our life.
True. We've done most slime videos. Okay, and this, what should this one be?
What is it called?
It's silver.
Gold mining for silver? Wait, no. It's called silver.
No, we have to come up with names.
Oh, I have names.
This is called Pretty Silver. I don't know anymore.
Shiny silver?
Shiny Silver, yes. Shiny Silver. And
Like, seriously, I named this.
oopsie, I already mixed
Guys,
it
this
together.
is my slime smoothie color. I don't know what to name it. Let's see, what should I name my slime smoothie?
I don't know. Looks more black. Anyways, this is, I accidentally mixed this together, but that's black. This one's gonna be dark shadow black. Blue's gonna be, blue.
Kool-Aid? Wasn't that
Yeah,
what it was?
blue Kool-Aid. Okay, anyways, guys, I'm gonna mix this in, so And don't think that we're trying to brag about our slime. Please, this is just not cool. And no hate, like and subscribe.
Guys, what should I name this slime? I think I'm gonna name it
I
Gold Mining for Silver.
gold mining.
Yeah, gold mining. Mining for silver.
There's literally like no silver in that, by the way. Just have white.
Yeah. Guys, this... I just got black in it.
Sorry. Mine's.
Guys, this slime is called Marshmallow Fluff. This is mine.
You already told me like.
Or is this Cole? I'm gonna name this Cole.
I'm still mixing some. And this is dun dun dun. There's a nail in there. That's weird. Look, little scissors about to be gone. And this one's
Guys, listen to this click.
because I'm gonna be in my room playing with it.
Why?
Because I'm getting really bored.
I just showed them the click.
Okay, guys, like and subscribe. Bye.
No, don't turn it off.